Okay, guys, I'm back with Grouchy Garage Tips here, and I've had a few subscribers ask me about how I fixed the Hyper Tough. I explained it when I did it, but I didn't show it. And this happened about a year ago. It was the summertime, and this thing overheated a little bit, and the anvil here locked up into the nose cone. And I've got 3 of the screws out. I'll just show you how to get the screws out if you need that. And so these are a T25 screw. Okay. Now I was at work and I just used whatever grease I had. And it worked. But I had to sand the anvil on it though. Full bars, just so you know. Just kidding. But anyway, let's pull the nose cone off. Now it kind of rubs down here on this plastic, so it takes a little bit to get it off. And there's a rubber O-ring here. Now you see I use a little bit of red grease in that. It's what I had and what worked at the time. So I'm going to wipe it out. Okay, nice and clean there. We'll get this wiped out a little bit. The warranty, I tried to warranty it, but I had a hell of a time. So I just said screw it and fixed it myself. And you can see it's a little bit ate up in there. I sanded it. And this anvil just slides right off, see? And here on it, you can see where it's chewed up. And I just sanded to where it's smooth. And you can't feel it across, but you can feel it definitely. It's a good divot in there. You can see how it tore it up. But it overheated and locked completely up. It wasn't even, I mean, it would hammer, but it wouldn't turn. This would barely even turn. So I'm going to take a little Molly, Super Duty Molly grease, because it's what I have. And this thing, I don't really give too much on it, too much care about it. And re-grease it. I'm going to re-grease this nose cone here. Now, I already did the hammer mechanism down in there. So, and then you want to put a little grease on this area too. Right here. Get some good grease on there. And you slide her back down in. And you know, it works fine for what it is. And then you just line it up. See, it ain't too hard. You can see where the rub mark was from the plastic. And that's it. And you put your 4 screws back in it. I won't even put them in there on this thing. But you can see it works fine now. But get your screws back in there. And that's it. Like I say, they're a T25. Use your, T-handle or a screw gun or whatever you got to get them out. Now, I paid $98.88 for this, and they're going for $124 now, so I don't know. Batteries held up fine. So, well, thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe.